Since 1980, there have been more than 700 earthquakes. Almost 5 million people are affected by earthquakes each year, costing about $12 billion of damage. Earthquakes leave a shivering effect on people's life. We can't prevent earthquakes, however, we can provide a safer and stable housing option to communities, especially ones in developing countries that have limited resources in rural settings.
Unreinforced masonry is by far the most common construction method used in developing countries. However, unreinforced masonry may not be safe in regions of high seismicity. Here we are at a building that has been constructed of unreinforced masonry. As you can see by the sign, it may not be safe during an earthquake. Our solution to this problem is a sustainable, cost-effective building system that has been designed and tested to perform well in an earthquake using refined earth blocks.
Here is a 3D schematic of earth blocks. These earth blocks are made with dirt and sand and are stabilized with water and cement. They're hollow in order to place reinforcement and grout. They have interlocking studs so they can be dry stacked without mortar. Earth blocks are simple to make. First, dirt, sand, cement, and water are mixed together. Then, the mixture is placed in the press. After the block is pressed, it is immediately ejected. The block is then put aside to cure for about 28 days. After the blocks have been made, they can be dry stacked on reinforcing bars. Then, grout is poured in the hollow parts to form a strong bond. Anyone can build with these blocks. No experience in construction is required. The final result is a beautiful, culturally relevant house. These houses are sustainable, cost-effective, and can help stimulate the local economy. A community needs one press and few materials to make these houses for everyone. Currently, these houses are being built in low earthquake regions. In the next 12 months, we're going to be preparing an engineering design and construction manual for houses in earthquake-prone regions. We're confident that this new building method will improve the standard of living and establish a sense of security in rural communities in developing countries.